can't drive because I don't have a license, so I had to walk. And these are the choices. I mean, I made a bad choice to drink and drive, so now I have to pay the consequences. This is part of the consequence. That's coming down for sure. Man, I did a good choice yesterday because I ran into this girl and we hit it off, right? But I noticed part of her story was she was from Las Vegas. She was like running away. And then she's like, oh, I'm trying to get into something. And I'm like, what? I'm like, I don't do drugs. And she did. She's like, well, I do a lot of stuff. And she said like she was like a prostitute or something in Las Vegas. I don't know, but I'm like, oh no. Because one thing you gotta know, guys, is that mostly like all prostitutes, 99%, they all do drugs. And Baby Ness don't do drugs anymore. So I bought her something to eat and I left. You know? Seemed like when I told her I didn't do drugs, oh look, X3. When I told her I didn't do drugs, she kind of shut her down because that's what she's looking for. Because drugs feed that sickness, you know? That filth. You can't have that filth without meth. That shit's demon infested, you know what I mean? So, and I've been there, I know. I've been around every kind of people. But anyway, if you guys watch my channel a lot, this tree right here, I always film this tree. It represents the law of least effort. It means that anything that you want can easily happen in the field of pure potentiality. Damn. I'll get a close up right now. But yeah, I did a good choice. I let her go. And she was cute. She was cute enough, but enough, cute enough, that's not enough anymore. I need a girl that's sober, fucking does yoga, exercises, has goals and hobbies, you know, just like I do. You know? Here it is, look. I've filmed this tree many times. It's a badass tree, dog. Look how big this motherfucker is. But anyway, shout out to the Law of Least Effort. Baby Ness gonna get some coffee and move a little faster. Peace. Y'all have a good day. God bless you guys on this Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays. We're gonna probably go to the bar. We're gonna do something fun because we need a date. I was telling God, I said, God, it's not good for man to be alone. I need a companion, you know? I need a female. So anyway, shout out to all my females. Keep up the good work. And to my dudes, step it up, dog. You know what I mean? If you fucked up, fucking bounce back. Peace. And shout out to Cal Poly and Cuesta College.